Okay, so students, I am going to explain one very much important property. In a triangle, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is larger. Then the angle opposite to the longer side is larger. So this also can be understood by the help of, suppose I have taken a triangle ABC and it is a scalene triangle. As you know, if all three sides are unequal, then this triangle is called scalene triangle. So in this triangle, I have taken that let AC is smaller than BC and BC is smaller than AB, means AB is the longest side and AC is the smallest side. Then you can observe this thing by construction also. The angle opposite to the smallest angle, the AC side के smallest side, angle opposite to the smallest side like AC के opposite में जो angle आ रहा है angle B, this is becomes the smallest angle also. ये एंगल स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल होगा. एंगल बी स्मॉलर देन, अभी देखो BC से ग्रेटर है तो BC के अपोजिट में एंगल A, देन एंगल A होगा एंड दिस एंगल A and this angle A is angle A smaller than, अभी BC is smaller than AB और AB के अपोजिट में क्या हुआ C, so angle C, so you can get that angle C is the greatest angle and angle B is the smallest angle. So in this way you can write. Means for two side also you can write, if I will take like BC smaller than AB. If two sides are unequal, then the angle opposite to the larger side is greater. Angle opposite to the longer side is larger, or you can say greater. So AB के opposite में angle जो आ रहा है angle C. So you can say angle C is greater than angle BC के opposite में angle हुआ angle A. So this is the result. So this result you will get, right? ये result हमको find out होने वाला है. Angle A is smaller than angle C. This is the important result we got it. So in this way we can arrange the side also. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने arrange किया या फिर in this way. So we can arrange the sides and its converse is also applied. Its converse is also applied. If I will, any triangle is given, in any triangle, suppose there is a triangle is given and in this triangle different angles are made. ये angles तुम्हें explain किया गया, different angles बताए गए like this way. This is P Q R. Suppose angle Q is given, ये जो angle Q है ना, that is given 60 degree and angle P is given 80 degree and this angle is given 40 degree. Okay, some 180 होना चाहिए. So in this way I have arranged. So what is the next property? In a triangle, if in a triangle the side opposite to the larger, or you can say greater angle is longer, the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. Okay, so in a triangle if you look here, so I have arranged all the angles. तो यहाँ पे सबसे larger angle क्या हुआ, angle P हुआ, greater angle P हुआ and smaller angle हुआ R. So if you will arrange according to that, if you will compare in these two, so angle P is greater than angle Q. So what I have explained, the side opposite to the greater angle must be longer. ये side P, angle P greater है, इसलिए इसका opposite side क्या हुआ QR. So therefore QR must be greater than angle Q के opposite में angle Q है 60 PR. So it must be greater than PR. Similarly, if you look between QR otherwise PR, so QR में अगर हम ऑब्जर्व करें, so angle Q is greater than angle R, है ना, angle Q greater than angle R. So what can we get from this? The side opposite to angle Q, that is PR. So PR must be longer. PR longer होना चाहिए. किससे longer होना चाहिए? Angle R के opposite में जो side होगा PQ से greater होना चाहिए. In first video I showed that how angle depend on its opposite side. ये angle इसके opposite side पे होता है. जैसे हमने वहां पे शो किया था, ऐसे एंगल को इंक्रीज करेंगे तो अपोजिट साइड भी लॉन्गर होता जाएगा. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. दीस प्रूफ्स आर आल्सो देयर बट नॉट नीडेड, देयरफॉर आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन more detail but you need to remember these things. So two important things I have explained just now. In a triangle, if two sides are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is larger. And in a triangle, if one angle is greater than another angle, then the side opposite to the greater angle, larger angle, is longer. Okay. And one more very much important property I want to explain here. Already you know that triangle, when triangle is possible, किसी भी triangle में sum of any two side of a triangle always greater its third side. Sum of any two side of a triangle always greater its third side. So this is also third very much important property. Sum of any two side of a triangle always greater than third side. AB, like AB plus BC, that is always greater than third side, means AC. Similarly, AB plus AC must be greater than BC. And third, what can we write? AC plus BC, that must be greater than AB. So this is the third property, very much important property. Sum of any two side of a triangle always greater its third side. किसी भी triangle के possible, when triangle construction में, if all three sides are given and triangle is possible or not, so in this way you can check triangle is possible or not. तो ऐड करो, टू स्मॉलर साइड को ऐड करके चेक करो, इसका भी सम थर्ड साइड, लार्जर साइड से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. ओके, इट मस्ट बी ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. अगर ग्रेटर नहीं होगा, सो व्हाट कैन यू थिंक करो. जैसे ये हमने AB ले लिया, ओके, एंड दिस BC आई हैव टेकन, एंड AB प्लस BC इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन थर्ड साइड, देन ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. ओके, तो फिर ये AB और BC इज इक्वल टू, इफ AC हो जाए तो ये कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे. इफ AB plus BC is equal to AC, then triangle is not possible. स्मॉल होने पे भी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा और इक्वल होने पे भी ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. व्हाट यू विल गेट, अगर ऐसा हो जाए, देन यू विल गेट दैट ये कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे, सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन में लाई करेंगे. सो देयरफॉर दिस इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी. सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन इट्स थर्ड साइड. ओके, okay, some more property related to the inequality only I want to explain. As you know that 5 and 3, which one is greater? 5, right? Now 5 is greater than 3, but can you tell about if I will multiply by minus, then what happened? अभी क्या हुआ, -5 और -3, which one is greater? -3 becomes greater than -5. So its meaning is that you need to understood, if any two real numbers are given and in this real number if a is greater than b, और हम माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें या फिर माइनस इसमें डिवाइड करें, either I will multiply by minus or divide by minus, then what you will get? Minus a and minus b. Inequality will be changed. Inequality always change हो जाता है. So if a is strictly greater than b, then minus a must be strictly smaller than minus b. और अगर हम इक्वल कर दें, it is called greater or equal. A is either greater or equal to b, या तो b के इक्वल होगा या ग्रेटर हो जाए. तो यहाँ पे भी सेम होगा, minus a is either less or equal to minus b. Okay, and next same thing happen if we'll divide by any negative number. अगर हम इसको नेगेटिव नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, लाइक a को हमने डिवाइड कर दिया बाय -2, तो यहाँ देखो माइनस हुआ और यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास -2 यहाँ हमने डिवाइड कर लिया, फिर से इनइक्वालिटी चेंज हो जाएगा. बट पॉजिटिव से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करें, then inequality will remain same. Its meaning is that thrice of a is also greater or equal to thrice of b. यहाँ चेंज नहीं होगा, बट इसमें नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई या नेगेटिव डिवाइड करेंगे, inequality will be change. Okay. Next, if a greater than b, on adding और सब्ट्रैक्टिंग एनी कांस्टेंट, किसी भी कांस्टेंट को हम प्लस या माइनस करें, उससे इनइक्वालिटी में कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. दिस इज रिमेन सेम. a प्लस माइनस 5 is greater than b plus minus 5. Okay, so this way you will get it. So there is no any problem, same you are getting. Okay, so this way you will find out. And so due to this some problem of the electricity, there is no electricity, so therefore you are not getting the clear video. So I will stop today's class here. In next class, I will explain some more from this. So you need to revise this chapter because almost your chapter is completed, because exercise 7.4 is not coming in your examination because it is recently removed by the CBSE. So according to this property, you can try some questions, and if you are having doubt, you can ask. I will solve it and send the solution to you. Okay, so those of you interested, you can solve and you can ask your doubts. Thank you.